I'm not the type to get my heart broken. I'm not the type to get upset and cry. 'Cause I never leave my heart open. It never hurts me to say goodbye. Relationships don't get deep to me. Never got the whole thing. And so I can say they love me truly, but at the time it didn't mean the thing. My mind is gone. I'm spinning round and deep inside. My tears are drowned. I'm losing grip. What's happening? Straight from love, this is how I feel. Somehow it's different. Felt like I was just a victim, and it cut me like a knife when you walked out of my life. Now I'm in this condition, and I've got all the symptoms of a girl with a broken heart. But no matter what, you never see me cry.